The MDS program is a program where if you have 58 credits with a GPA of at least 2.5 and you've stopped going to school and you need to come back and finish, it allows you to take your previous experience, whether that be military, whether it just be work experience, whether it's life experience, whatever it is, as long as you have those two requirements, you can come and you can qualify to be in the Multidisciplinaries Bachelor of Arts program. What makes it different is that if you were to study for biology or business, you would have a very regimented set of classes and things that you would need to achieve in order to graduate. With the Multidisciplinaries program, you can cherry pick different types of things to make the best package for you. What would make you most employable? So you can get a leadership degree, or leadership certificate, I should say. You can get a dispute resolution certificate. You can get a minor in sociology. Whatever it is, it's going to make you more marketable in the current job that you have and or in the current field that you wish to be in. That's what the MDS program is for. It's to make you a better version of yourself and give you that bachelor degree that'll make you promotable. Thanks for listening. My name is Amanda Craig, and that's my spiel about the MDS program. Have a great day.